So this is an OEM Honda oil pump for my B18C, and we're gonna need to add Honda Bond on the outside right here. Per manual, it wants you to add it on this side, not on the engine block. And then I'm using Honda Bond for sure. Make sure that you get a new O-ring too, because these are actually separate. It doesn't come with the pump itself. So there's a little dust there. So we're just gonna try to add a smidge right here. I hate silicone because it's always messy regardless of what you do. So here we go. Wish me luck, friends. All the way over and there. Make sure we put some lube on that snout, and then we're gonna try to align this little clocky thingy that's in here, the oil pump. There you go. Sometimes it's tricky to align the oil pump little gear thing. Come on. There you go. Get our 12s. Make sure you put some thread lock on this. Honda says add thread lock, so I added thread lock. Should be blue, or you could use red if you want. We're just gonna cinch these down side to side. Okay, and then middle. And where's the furthest? This guy maybe? Then back to this side. And here. You know, it's funny, this actually doesn't have a torque sequence. Like the valve cover's got a torque sequence, you gotta do it in order, but this one, not so much per manual. Okay, per manual, these guys are 17 down here. All right, so I'll just torque it at 17. And then the small guys are gonna be like 9. Once you're done, get your marker, give it some dots so you know you've already tightened it. Get yourself a nice cold drink. Could be non-alcoholic, but I'm gonna choose alcoholic.